Wonder who's at the front door. No, 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 no! Who let him in the howdy? Oh, hey, there you are. What are you doing here? You could stay, but you gotta sit outside. Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. So, now that we got this old girl running here, it's time to perfect this idle. See, I got this problem, and whenever the car gets warm, it surges, like real bad. Like, oh, it goes from like 1500 down to 100, and then it kills itself. Which is really unfortunate when I'm driving in traffic, because then I have to explain to the people all around me that I didn't just stall my car and actually it was just the car killing itself. No one ever believes me. So when it comes to fixing this idle issue, there's a couple schools of thought. I don't consider myself a master at tuning by any means, but if you have HP tuners, the first place you could go is diving right back into the tune. You? An expert? Okay, I don't claim to know a little bit about tuning, but even a little bit? Come on. Okay, so I don't know anything. I get lucky here and there. Can we move on, please? Where was I? Yeah, the tune. So, in my case, I know I have an air issue, because when it's surging and I have it plugged into HP tuners, I see the IEC values just jumping all over the place. It goes to max value, then to 0, then max. It's the car just gasping for air and then going, I'm on fire. Oh, okay, I'm okay. I'm dying again. No, I'm fine. Yeah, and you look like you're gasping for brain cells. I hate you just so much. Anyways, so what I'm gonna say is probably a little bit controversial. So like I said, there's a lot of ways you can attack it. You could go back into the tune and look at all your air tables, and you could look at timing charts and how much your throttle body's open, and it's just gonna take a lot of time that I don't have. Or you could play around with your throttle body set screw. You can open up your throttle blade a little bit, make sure some more air's getting in, but again, that's more work than I want to do. So I'm just gonna drill a hole through the throttle blade. You really have lost your brain cells. You don't drill cars, you fix them the right way. Or take them to somebody who actually knows how to fix them. I can't believe you. Have you consulted Reach yet? No, because he's not my wife. I don't think. Alright, so how about you just call him? You ask him. Hey, Reach.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I know Mike didn't reach out to you, but did you hear what's going on with his car?
No.
So he's having an air issue and it won't idle correctly.
Okay.
And to fix it, he's gonna drill a hole through his throttle blade. Please, God, tell him how bad of an idea it is.
Bad idea. That's not a bad idea. I mean, early Gen 3 LSs are known for having idle issues, so drilling a hole is the same thing as having the tune open up the throttle blade. Wait a minute. Who asked your opinion anyways? Why are you there, Floyd? Why don't you go back to Honda and tune lawnmowers or whatever you do, dirt bikes or, I don't know.
You're breaking up.
No, don't hang up.
What'd he say? Can I just start working yet? I don't know. We got disconnected, but you probably shouldn't drill it. Listen, at the end of the day, it's your car. Do what you want to it. You could go on forums and ask all your buddies, and everyone's gonna have their own opinions. They'll tell you you're crazy, you're a genius. Whatever they say, doesn't matter, because it's your car. In my case, I know that drilling a hole in the throttle blade is gonna fix the issue. So why not do it? I have HP tuners, but this is quicker. Not to mention, I'm getting a new throttle body and a new intake over the winter, so I'm really just drilling my old throttle body anyways. Let's get this throttle body off of here. Did I mention how much I still hate how the Corvette hood opens up? I hate that so much. It's annoying. Where was I? The throttle body, yes. The throttle body's really easy. It's really just 3 bolts and a couple of connectors. You got 1 up top, 2 on the bottom, got a connector here, got a connector here, and 1 hose. Then she just pops right on off. I lied. There were 2 other hoses, 1 in the front and 1 in the side. I completely forgot about them. My bad. Well, here she is in all her glory, and it looks a bit dirty, not too bad. I'll give her a quick little spray, and then we start drilling. That looks a little bit better, a little bit more acceptable, but now it's time to drill. So I'm gonna drill on the bottom of the plate, I'd say about right here, and I'm using an 1/8 inch drill bit. You can always go bigger, but you can't go smaller. Let's do it. All right, get this puppy all set up. You shouldn't do it. Make sure you're nice and lined up. You know where you're gonna hit. There's still time. You can always do 2 holes in the future too. If it's not enough, you go bigger. You don't have to do it. Make sure you drill in the right spot because you can't do it twice. You don't have to. Now make sure you drill in the right spot. Don't do it. You guys ready? You can still stop. I can see so many people cringing right now. Don't, please. Come on. No. Well, you did it. I hate you. And we're through. Now, obviously, you want to make sure you get all these metal shavings out because we just rebuilt this motor, so there's no chance I'm going to introduce metal shavings into the motor. All right, let's reinstall this puppy, let it warm up, and see if it surges. Then we get to have fun and play with the idle. So we got the throttle body installed, we got the hole drilled. Why don't we fire this old girl up, let it get to temperature, and then we'll see if we have the idle surge. If we don't, my goal is to get the idle down to like 800-900 range. Currently it's sitting at like 1100. Let's give her a go. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for helping me drill my throttle body. May not always be the right thing to do in somebody's eyes, but it doesn't matter. It's all what you want. If you made it this far, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Helps the channel, and I super appreciate it. And as always, thanks for hiding out.